Alright, welcome to my workshop. So this is a little bit messy, whatever. That's life in the workshop, you know. Just gonna put this valve spring back on with no proper tools, the half-ass way. Yeah. So bear with me, this is gonna be shaky. Put both keepers in to the spring. Oh, let's get the framing right. Do. Oh, it's great when your tool's slightly magnetized. Oh, come on. Hang on. The other one went so smooth. Well, no one was watching. Who am I kidding? No one's watching anyway. There we go. We'll get both the keepers in there. Then you gently drop it into its new home. And then I've worked up a fantastic contraption. It's just a socket that fits nicely onto the retainer, and then you use this little rubber hose and you put it down inside the socket. And then all you got to do is center it over the, oh here, I'll do this nicely. Center it over the keepers. Put the socket on it and make sure your hose sticks out just a little bit. That way when you put pressure with your hand down on top of it, you hear that little click. Boom! The little hose pushes the keepers into place. You don't need no fancy highfalutin tools. Right on.